Here we have our agent-based model to compare agile project management to waterfall project management. And we have created a world in which we have team members that will meet during meeting phases, and then they will work alone during non-meeting phases. So in blue we have knowledge seekers, and they can be novices or experts, so you can just determine how much knowledge need each type will need on average. And then we have knowledge providers, which are in green, and these are the colleagues that knowledge seekers can gain information from during meeting phases. And then during work alone phases, the knowledge seekers, if they're on a green patch, they will learn information. If they are on a magenta patch, they will become confused and actually need more information. And if they are on a black patch, they will be applying knowledge, and so they will neither gain nor lose any knowledge. And the length of the meeting and the non-meeting phases are determined by the project management method. And so from that we will see how long it takes in order for the cumulative knowledge needed to drop below 0. So at the time of completion, some members will be over their knowledge need, which will be shown, they'll be orange, and then some members will still be in search of knowledge, and they'll still be blue. And so we have listed our initial knowledge need. Somebody is in need of, the maximum is 42. We're going to track how much they learn, how much they become confused, and then also during phases of meeting, if the seekers and providers are in contact, then they will be represented as synchronous communication, which will send the full amount provided from the colleague to the seeker. If they are not in contact, then they will be having asynchronous communication, and so there will be a limited amount of information provided to the knowledge seeker. And so we will track how many members go over, how long it has been that they've gone over their need, and then how much over and beyond their need did they go. So the first approach is agile, and we track it with our plot. So in periods when they work alone, you see a little uptick because of the amount of confusing patches, and then when they meet during meeting phases, it drops quickly as members gain knowledge. So in total, this took 65 hours or ticks. The initial need was 562. Somebody still had 18.2 remaining, but the cumulative was negative 25.8. So let's compare that to waterfall. Alright, so let's run waterfall. Alright, in waterfall they have much more time to work on their own, but also more time to meet. And so initially there was 600 units of information need, and you can see again an uptick in a lot of times when they are working on their own. And this took 144 hours ticks, and somebody still needed about 26 units of information, but in total the team was over by about 30 units. And so we have that the amount that was learned, the amount of confusion that was created. We had synchronous communication where members were able to meet together versus asynchronous. And then we had about 6 members that were over their knowledge need. Somebody was over for 76 hours, and then the maximum that somebody went over was about 46 units. That's it.